A professor of Materials and Metallurgical Engineering at the University of Ilorin, Jamiu ODUSOTE, has called for the revamp of the Ajaokuta Steel Complex and other metal companies. He made the call when he delivered the 246th University of Ilorin inaugural lecture. The professor said if this is done, it will reduce the country's dependence on imported metal products for development. Ibrahim Alege has details and will be back with business news.
Iron and steel industry in Nigeria developed as a public-funded integrated industry. Between 1979 and 1983, Nigerian governments jump-started iron and steel production with emphasis on the importance of iron and steel in developing and driving local production of goods. The Ajaokuta Steel Mill was developed as the largest public steel company in 1979, but over the years, it appears the purpose for which it was intended have been defeated. Mr. Vice Chancellor. At this inaugural lecture, Professor Jamiu ODUSOTE of the Department of Materials and Metallurgical Engineering says the Ajaokuta Steel Mill and other public metals companies need to be revitalized.
Revitalization of Ajaokuta Steel Complex and other metal companies. We cannot grow as a nation. We cannot develop industrially until we are able to produce our own liquid steel. All developed world are producing their own liquid steel. If we fail to produce our liquid steel, we can never, as a nation, grow.
Although many private steel companies have sprung up, the professor insists that Nigeria still has a lot of infrastructural deficits and poor industrialization due to the deficiency in metal and steel production. He also emphasized the need for a well-planned-out sustainable materials development.
Need for sustainability in material development. Materials have the potential to address global issues head-on. They can enable cleaner energy production, efficient transportation, and advanced medical treatment. We are tasked with finding solutions to address climate change, healthcare needs, and energy demands. However, the materials of the future must be sustainable, scalable, and environmentally friendly. As a surgeon and engineer, we hold the key to unlock this possibility.
The lecture, titled Engineering Materials Development as Catalyst for Innovation, was the 246th University of Ilorin inaugural lecture. Ibrahim Alege, TVC News, Ilorin.